We have Hurricane Ida going into the Gulf of Mexico and hitting Louisiana. I don't want to take a lot from this podcast, um, just to show what's going on down there. I want to explain something to you here. I'm from the Caribbean, and we are used to hurricanes. And the as hot as has been up here, imagine how the Gulf is right now. It's extremely hot. So once it hit this water, it's going to be a very powerful hurricane. Louisiana, all this coast right here should be prepared from Texas. It can go 100 miles this way or 100 miles that way. So do not just think that it could just go directly. Remember what I said in my past videos. Our technology is not as good as Mother Earth is being. And what I meant by that is that our technology right now is not able to read Mother Earth as good as we did in the past. She is very shifting right now. She is very unpredictable right now. We know by scientific data that the jet stream sometimes shut itself off. It cut itself in little pieces. That's why the scientists cannot predict how bad the storm is going to be, because the storm can all of a sudden come here and the jet stream cuts itself half and leaves the storm here. That's why we've been having a lot of floodings in different areas around the world, because the jet stream is acting very unpredictable. So even scientists now, with all the technology we have, we can't exactly predict what's going to happen with storms now. That's why they were not able to predict the storm in Tennessee, because all of a sudden the storm just stopped. And it was because the jet stream cut itself off. I explained that in my other video, what is happening with the jet stream. So normally, in a normal situation, yes, we got to give, if the scientist said it's going to hit the coast of Louisiana, we got to give 100 miles this way or 100 miles this way that the storm can go. Wind is very unpredictable anyway. So they predict it's going this way, but it can end up hitting more of Texas than Louisiana, or more of Mississippi than Louisiana. For some reason, I've been getting these feelings that Mississippi is going to see a really bad flooding with the storm. So please, Mississippi, prepare. Prepare, get away from the rivers, go to shelters up north. Because storms lately have been stolen. If this storm in particular, this hurricane in particular, decides to sit itself in Mississippi, we are going to see some major loss of life. So please prepare. Like I said, normally, even if we will not be having climate change, you got to give the storm 100 miles this way and 100 miles that way. We, people that live in the Caribbean, know this. Louisiana is going to get hit bad. It's going to be really bad. They got issues with the levee. They got issues with, when Katrina hit, the ocean level was here. And it was already, Louisiana was already considered underwater ocean level. That means that this is the ocean and Louisiana is down here. Okay? Now that in the last 20 years, the last 15 years after Katrina, the ocean level is over here now. And Louisiana is down here. So if the water surges, it's going to surge over the levees, and we're going to see a lot of destruction. So please get away from the coast. Go up north, even if you have to sleep in a tent somewhere far away from this hurricane. Please. And Mississippi, prepare. Everybody that is near Mississippi, please prepare. I don't know why I'm seeing a lot of issues with this hurricane and the Mississippi River. Okay? So far, that's where the hurricane is at this moment, is entering now. It's already category 2 and has not even entered this area yet. It's cycloning. You see that yeah. This is the same situation than Katrina. When Katrina came in, it came in this way, and another storm hit over here, this area, which is the other side of United States. Baja, I think it's Mexico, that area. And so this is California, this is Baja California. So yeah. And now we're getting the same situation. We're getting a storm coming this way and a storm hitting Louisiana. This is already category 2. It has not hit this waters yet. Scientists are afraid that this might end up being a category 5 hurricane. Let me tell you something. A category 3 hurricane can kill people. Can take your house and put it somewhere else. Okay, a category 3. A category 4, a category 5 is a deadly monster. You do not need to stay in your homes, especially if you live in a wooden home or a trailer. Get out of the way. Get out of the way and let Mother Earth do what it's going to do. It's very sad. Many people are going to lose their homes. Many people are going to lose their lives. Many people are going to lose everything they have. So please get out of the way. If you can take your car and go to another state far away from the hurricane, please do. Mississippi, you are being put on warning. Anybody that lives in near the Mississippi River, please take heed. Prayers for everyone. Tomorrow we're going to get a major solar flare. This is going to create some earthquakes, so be attentive of your area. Thank you.